regional efforts. There's the Rwanda process, there's the Nairobi process, and fairly so, they are doing a good job. But I would have wished that one, maybe we bring closer these processes instead of running them separately or sometimes in different directions. Tshisekedi has been able to manipulate individual leaders, countries, now regions, and almost bringing a misunderstanding within and among regions. Because he was playing SADC against East Africa. So why don't we therefore find a way of just talking about it and not allowing Tshisekedi to dictate the terms of what must happen, because he is even wrong. We know he's wrong.